welcome to your last Lobos assembly for the 1920 school year. Guess who's getting ready to be a second grader? You are! Are you ready to have a good time? Woo! Let's get started.
All right, guys, it's the best time because it's our core values. And for today, we have our wonder. Oh, maravilla. So, I want to hear you repeat after me, all right? So we're going to start in English and then we're going to do it in Spanish. And I hope all the teachers do it too. So, I am curious.
I am curious.
I ask questions.
I ask questions.
I seek knowledge.
I seek knowledge.
And I show innovation and creativity.
And I show innovation and creativity.
Now let's try it in Spanish. Soy curioso.
Soy curioso.
Hago preguntas.
Hago preguntas.
Busco conocimiento.
Busco conocimiento.
Y demuestro innovación y creatividad.
Y demuestro
innovación y creatividad.
Good job, guys.
Now we get to do teacher share time. I'm going to go around and ask each of our teachers what their favorite activity was during this quarantine. Or in Spanish, ¿cuál fue tu actividad favorita de cuarentena? Miss McLean, do you want to go first? What was your favorite quarantine activity?
Oh man, during quarantine, I got a pet bunny named Ulysses. When he grows up, he's gonna be 20 pounds and he's so friendly and fun to play with.
Oh, that sounds so cute. Miss Todd, what was your favorite quarantine activity?
Similar to Miss McLean, I loved getting to spend time with my pet, Zeus. And those of you who did my phonics videos probably got to see Zeus a few times.
He was the star of those phonics videos. Mrs. Swain, what was your favorite quarantine activity?
Well, I've been enjoying my time with my baby and playing outside with his water table and kiddie pool. And now he's walking, so that gives me a lot of work to work on.
Mr. B, what was your favorite quarantine activity?
My favorite quarantine activity was actually going camping this past weekend in the middle of the desert in Utah.
Wow, that sounds really fun. Miss Mora, what about you?
My favorite quarantine activity was eating all the snacks.
Miss Finney, what about you?
My favorite quarantine activity was going running and drinking lots and lots of water. Quality H2O.
Well, my favorite activity was reading my Kindle, all my books on my Kindle.
Super cool.
Thanks for sharing.
Okay, friends, first graders, now we're going to do some teacher shout outs. So, Miss Mora, would you like to give a teacher shout out for Wonder?
Yes, my shout out for Wonder goes to Cynthia. Cynthia has been showing so much wonder because she participates in all our seesaw activities and asks a lot of great questions. Good job, Cynthia.
Way to go. Way to go. Miss Swain, do you have a teacher shout out for Wonder?
My shout out is for Emmanuel, and Emmanuel is not as fluent in English, so I'm going to say it in Spanish. Emmanuel ha mostrado maravilla desde que comenzó nuestra educación a distancia al estar participando en todas las actividades de Seesaw, en iStation, en los cuentos de Mrs. Swain por mi Instagram Live y también participa todas las veces que estamos en nuestros Google Meets. Así que, buen trabajo, Emmanuel.
¡Buen trabajo!
Miss Kelly, do you have another teacher shout out for a student who showed wonder?
I do, and my shout out is going to be for Anthony because he was showing wonder every day by asking questions about his work that he submitted on Seesaw and making sure he was doing the best that he could be every day.
Nice, way to go.
Go, Anthony.
Go, Anthony. Go, Anthony. I guess I'll give the last teacher shout out for some wonder. A student I saw wonder for in our class was Oscar. Oscar showed wonder every single day. He turned in his work every day whenever he was unsure about something. Him and his sister would reach out to Miss Finney. So way to go, Oscar. You did an amazing job.
Woo! Oscar!
All right, first graders, it is time for some awards. We are going to start with some engagement awards or premios de participación for the students that showed amazing participation and engagement during our remote learning. So, Mrs. Swain, can you start us off with your engagement awards?
Yeah, so my awards are for Emmanuel, Gael, Jason, Stephanie, Dominic, Kiana, y Clara. Buen trabajo, chicos.
Awesome. Miss Kelly, can you share your engagement awards?
Yeah, I had 4 amazing students who were on every single day and every single week. Gilbert, Juan, Alonzo, and Ayana.
Way to go, guys. All right, how about you, Miss Mora?
Great. All right. For my class friends, Adan, Adriana, Cynthia, Dylan, Elias, Yaresi, Lee, Megan, Jasmine, Valeria, y John.
Wow. And last but not least, what are your engagement awards, Miss Finney?
Goes to Oscar, Victoria, Alan, Dianice, Nathan, Brooklyn, Sophia, and Zulaimi.
Wow, way to go, everyone. All right, our next set of awards go to 100% student attendance. And wow, I know this was especially tricky during remote learning, so these must be some pretty amazing kids. All right, Mrs. Swain, who gets 100% attendance for your class?
Wow, we have a lot. We have Emmanuel, Gael, Jason, Brianna, Brisa, Jacob, Kendra, Kenia, Emily, Graciela, Jennifer, y Dominic. Buen trabajo.
Wow. Amazing. Miss Kelly, I see you have an attendance superstar. Who is your award for?
My award goes to Ayana.
Woo! Awesome. Miss Mora, who do you want to celebrate for 100% attendance?
I want to celebrate Yaresi and Lee. Woo!
Awesome. And how about you, Miss Finney?
I have Prayer, Corinthian, and Brittany.
Wow, amazing job, friends. All right, amazing job. Let's give a big round of applause to all of our award winners. Woo!
Okay, first grade, it's time for our Minute to Win It game. So for this game, all you're going to need is any kind of snack. I have a Ritz cracker. Other teachers have cookies, some wheat thins, anything you have in your house. You need a timer for 1 minute. And the way that we play this game is you're going to put your snack on your forehead. And then you have to wiggle your face enough until it gets to your mouth and you get to eat your snack. The person that can do this in 1 minute wins. Are you all ready to watch your teachers play our Minute to Win It game? Let's do it. Ready? Ready, teachers?
Ready.
I'm starting my timer.
Take these off.
On your mark, get set, go. If it falls,
You have to start over if it falls.
Yeah.
You did?
I got it!
Okay, we have Miss Todd's the winner. Let's see if anyone can.
Mine's on my nose. Oh wait.
So mine broke.
Do you need a chip, Miss Kelly?
Thanks, Miss Finney.
Oh, Mr. Bernstein's getting close. Oh! That's great.
We still have 20 seconds, guys. Keep trying.
You can do it. That's so close, Miss Mora.
Use those
Come
face.
on, Miss Finney, you can do it.
It's so hard, but I can do it.
Oh, Miss McLean is getting close.
Miss McLean, yay!
We have 5 seconds left.
Come on, Miss
Come
Mora.
on,
Come on, Miss
Wayne.
Finney. Let's go, Miss Finney.
Yay.
So who are our winners? Who actually got to eat their snack? Miss Todd, Mr. B, and Miss McLean. Let's all give a round of applause for our winners. I would love for you guys to take a video and send it to us on Seesaw.
All right, friends. So now to finish, we're gonna do a TikTok dance with all your teachers here. Are you ready to see it?
Graders, that was our Lobos assembly. We love you and we miss you. Any teachers want to give a last shout out before we go?
You're all amazing.
You're all amazing. Have a great summer. You guys are super, super amazing. I hope you enjoy our Lobos assembly.
Los extrañamos
Nice.
muchísimo y esperamos que estén sanos en casa y saludables. Los quiero.
Yeah, love you guys. Miss you guys. Do some drawing over the summer.
And some reading over the summer. Can't wait to see you in second grade.
Can't wait to see you back